Greetings, fellow Gators. I would like to welcome you to the bonus part of the Atlantis accessories videos. As you know, I wanted to stop at 6 because there are 6 places where the ships can land in the Atlantis, but the demand on both Facebook and YouTube was quite big, so I decided to make a bonus round. And what I decided to go with when it comes to the bonus round, that's obviously the most demanded ship, O'Neill. As you can see, this is the scaled down version of my big O'Neill, though it's different because it's only consists of 2 parts. So we have one part and we have the second part, and between those two we have 4 pins, 2 10x10 and 2 5x6. And the both holes have corresponding holes. So as you can imagine, this model has to be painted quite substantially, but yeah, it's not really that complex, I would say. Okay, so this is the ship, and now we will see where I actually park it in the Atlantis. So here we have the city, and you are aware that all the spaces between the piers are, as you can see, already occupied. So where exactly will I park the O'Neill? That's the thing, I will not. I decided I will not go with the landed version, but instead I will do the following. The O'Neill has a hole 1.9 millimeters in diameter, which is the same diameter as the toothpick which I use as an antenna. So the idea is to get rid of this small antenna, use the toothpick in its entirety with only the tip, cut it off, or of course paint it, and then it will go in this hole, and so the O'Neill will basically hover above the city and will look like this. I decided to go with this because I like the touch. I hope you too. And I guess now we will go and print it and see how it looks in real life. Okay. So here we have the first part, and as you can see the pins are already there. And here we have the second part. So we will put the 2 halves together. Okay. And the 2 halves are indeed together. Oh yeah, the painting is not the best, but yeah, I think I can improve it. And here is the toothpick already painted, so now we will install it into the Atlantis. So as you can see, I already put the antenna away, and now I put the new one here, and we can take and the O'Neill is there floating above the Atlantis. The wooden toothpick is actually very good because it's still flexible, and even though the model isn't really lightweight, it still holds pretty nice. So yeah, this is it with the O'Neill flying above. Anyway, I hope you liked it, this bonus video, and yeah, that's all for now. Have a very nice day and a nice weekend. Bye bye.